Right guys, when you do the connection right here, I show you exactly what the connection right there. Don't forget the metal o-ring. That's for the air cooler, using the 516 Allen wrench. And that thing there, you're gonna tighten that one using I'm using what size? 8 mm right there. 8 mm, but don't use I use the manual first, so you're not gonna lose thread. Right now, gonna put the nipple back. Okay, 516 size, guys. That's only for the air inlet, just to give you a head. Don't tie it too hard yet, only testing. And then this one, the air, just do it closer, guys, so we have room. It's too tight, guys, too tight. Right, and then now we're gonna connect the BMS, and then let's try. After the BMS, there's a two coolant, 1 and 2 right there. Okay, let's do the BMS connection. The BMS is right here on the driver's side. All right, I just reset. Here's the BMS. That's the lock, guys. Right there. And then to simply lock, just press this one. That's the locking tab. When you hear the sound, click right there. You hear the sound click? That's already lock and load. Alright, now you connected all the high voltage line. The very important thing to do, because this one is connected, the high voltage connector is located right here, guys. You simply slide this back. I don't know if you guys can see right there. I show you how to slide it back easily. Bear with me, guys. Right there. Right there. Then make sure of the battery 12 volt. Now we're gonna connect the battery 12 volt right there. Let's do it. All right, we're connecting the, still loose, using 10 mm. All right, guys, then now we're gonna try the key. That's the key, guys. Let's see what we can do. Check all the connection, the high voltage. So let's check it out. The charger. Let's try. Smart HB battery, low. Oops. Alright, HB system workshop. Why? HB workshop. So workshop. Let's check the connection. The high voltage. Let's try to connect with the charger. It's all green. Let's see what's going on. State of charge. Charging. Drive system off. Still not charging, guys. Let's see. They're all connected now. High voltage battery. The rear drive system. Drive system. Core service. So it's already drive system, engine off, core 365 days, care service 346 in